was a beginner, I used to believe that the more colors I have, the better my art would be. Yet, I found myself endlessly searching for that elusive, perfect palette. It all changed when I discovered the art of color mixing and the power of a simple 3-color limited palette. I didn't stumble upon this by myself. I have art friends who advised me that learning how to mix and understand my colors is an essential skill. And now, I'm returning the favor by showing you how to mix the very colors you need for your painting projects armed with just 3 colors. Hi, I'm Bianca Lustre, a watercolorist from Batangas, Philippines. And I'm recently focusing my efforts on helping watercolor beginners improve their skills and gain confidence. One of the key skills to do that is by learning how to mix your colors. In this class, we will learn how to choose and mix primary colors, create your own chart, and expand it to find the very colors you need for an art project. We'll also talk about color temperature, why muddy colors appear, and how to avoid them. Finally, we will apply what we have learned by painting a simple landscape scene using 3 colors only. As a bonus, I will also give away an ebook containing all the color charts that I created for the past few months. Please stay tuned for my announcement on how you could grab your copy. Anyone who loves watercolors and would like to give color mixing a try is welcome in this class. You'll need your basic watercolor materials such as paper, paints, and brushes, but above all, your passion to learn and experiment with colors. Once you're done with this class, you'll have the confidence and knowledge in mixing and choosing your own colors and applying it on different painting subjects using a limited palette. So, grab your materials and let's get started.